Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we're on another Durandal Mapmakers Club pack. DMMC week of cuts off about there, but I guess it's about January 22nd, 1996. So let's see how it is. How many do we have here? Yeah, so 3 basically with a duplicate like in the last pack. I'm not sure why, but we'll probably go ahead and play the second one anyway in case there are any differences. Alright, so we do have the bots working but stuck underwater and thus malfunctioning. Looks like most of the spawn points are about in one spot too. Actually, so this is kind of like that other first level in the last DMMC pack, but underwater, or under sewage rather. So yeah, it's basically a retread of that one, but with liquid, so with bots it's even less functional. But it is an interesting idea to make it so that even though you have a way to get up above water, you have to do that in order to use these weapons. And in many cases, be careful to avoid hurting yourself, say, where you might use grenades. What does this do though? Does this turn it off? Yes. Or lowers it anyway. Interesting. Still seems to slowly descend. Okay, but not as much. It's interesting. See which other parts are affected. It is an interesting idea. It's just, of course, it's limited. Oh, here we go. So this does affect things somewhat. I'll bet, like before, though, supplies are limited, so I probably already picked most of them up. So this is another instance where it would actually help me to hit that switch again, but before I do that, let's explore. Yeah, looks like it's about the same. I hope the whole map pack isn't just you know, liquid versions of those maps, although it'd still be good, but it'd be nice to have more variety. Of course, nowadays you wouldn't need to do something like that because you just have a script to make that happen. Oh, funny. The attack cycle hadn't ended before it was submerged in liquid, so it still counted. I hadn't really seen anything like that before. That's funny. It sort of makes sense, but it's just bizarre. I think that's about all of it. Maybe if I turn it on again, I'd be able to swim up top to the ledges. But no matter, we've explored what we need to here. Next up is the level mutiny is good, but spangers are better. Yeah, it's the same thing. That's funny. Although I don't even think this one has a difference. Like, I don't think there's more or less liquid or anything. Wait, why am I stuck here? Can't move. That's bizarre. Oh. Can I even grenade hop out of here? Doesn't matter because I'm about half health. That's pretty dumb. Alright. Let's like gain some points back. Hell, I didn't notice that before. Maybe there's a switch around here that makes a difference that would allow you to change the liquid levels or something, but as it is, I think it's just the same level. So I'm not sure why that would happen. Maybe it's like one of those spam things where, like, because the first level is different than it was in the first pack, and that's enough difference to basically warrant spamming the same file on the Internet Bungie archives. It's funny, like half-assed strategy for this level is to just fire across the way, and I'm like almost guaranteed a kill every time without even seeing an enemy, because there's probably one around the corner for whom the rocket doesn't have splash damage. Like, let's see about this. Not that time. I wonder how well that strategy would work with real players. Probably still work okay, especially with newer players. Yep, there's one. That one was already visible. Yep, red one. All right, well, that's enough of that. Next up is redox reaction. Hang on. Okay, sorry about that. All right, redox reaction, let's go. What the fuck? I'm stuck. Let's see if I can get out of here fast enough to get anywhere. That doesn't do anything. What the hell? What is this? This is weird. Was I able to activate a platform by shooting at it? Or maybe did I hit tab? So all the spawn points are like packed together in one spot, and you go to here, crossing these lava conveyors, lava rivers to get a triple shield capsule, and then what? Where does it go? Can I get out? I can't get out. There we go. Good thing I had enough of a grace period, even having already lost some of the shields with that triple capsule. I could get out. This is weird. It looks like a solo map. I mean, I can definitely relate to putting crushers in the map, but this is pretty weird. I never experienced a netmap like this where it seems like a solo level. And the shield capsule's gone too, so I have less of a chance of getting out. I guess there's a spawn point about there too, I think. Because I don't think there'd be another way that a player could get across there. But I can't get through if there's always a guy guarding that. Maybe some spawn on the other side or something. But I have yet to be able to spawn there where I could get anywhere. I might just try and launch this without bots. Yeah, see, I can't get far enough, and there aren't weapons. This is pretty bad. Now all of a sudden the spawning is mostly stopped around here. I don't get why that is. Of course, there's also another upload of this in the map, or the map pack, so okay, so I can get across here. Okay, another shield capsule. This time it's double, but still pretty good. Seriously, how is this not a solo level? This is bizarre. I guess the idea is that, well, it leads me back here. So it's like you want to go around a route, race against others to get to the shield capsules so you can come back around and kill them all. It's a pretty interesting concept. I can't say I've ever experienced something like that before. Go ahead and try that again now that there's a duplicate here. So what the hell? Oh, okay. Okay. If I can't get out of here. Okay. But now I don't have a weapon, so this doesn't really help me to take me back here. No better what to do, I just don't necessarily have the means. I must say though, I am sort of inspired. I would like to make a map that's sort of like this in a way, as far as that general concept that I just outlined. I would have more supplies that would respawn more often, but still, the basics of it is pretty interesting. I know a lot of people wouldn't like it, but those that would like it would really like it, because that's how it often is with maps like these and with NEFX maps. I wonder if there are any like secret doors or something that would give me anything, because it seems like that's a common error with some of these earlier maps, is they don't replenish supplies, they don't respawn them, or maybe they do respawn but not often enough. So despite knowing better what to do, I'm doing worse. I don't even think there's a way to like activate that wait, did I just activate that platform? No, I didn't. Okay. Otherwise, I'd just crush the others with it, although it wouldn't give me any points. It would just decrease the enemy's points if these were human players with, or with scores for the bots as well. Alright, well that's it for today. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we will go through Tic-Tac-Toe by Kevin Balcom. See in advance if there's any more than one level. No, just that one. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.